I'm worried this is going to take forever. All right, so first step is inoculation. This is the poo of someone with a disease, right? Are you recording?
Yep.
All right, hopefully it doesn't run out. So what happens is all the deadly viruses and bacteria, they get sucked up into here and burnt. So you have to do all your work within this small area, okay? And this is called aseptic technique, so we're going to stop getting infected, hopefully. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do serial dilutions. I'm going to get the bacteria and swipe it here, and then swipe it and get more and more dilute as I go across, and then I'll incubate it, and hopefully I'll see single bacteria out here that will multiply into billions and trillions, and I'll have a pure colony that I can do chemical tests and staining on, right? All right, we're not going to do that. We're going to test the fecal food directly, all right? But I'll show you how to inoculate it. So I open it up within this section. So first I make sure it's clean, so it goes red. There's a bit of a draft, which is annoying. So I'll just pretend the whole thing's red, or now it is red. All right, I'll go let it cool down for a few seconds. All right, sometimes if you don't let it cool down, it'll make a noise, like it just did then. So I take a little tiny bit, this bit you're not doing, and I open it up to the flame, and I rub it over here, right? Then I can clean it. All that, I hope it doesn't smell. Does it smell like poo?
Yeah, not yet.
All right, let it cool. I pretend I've waited a couple more seconds, and then I'll just go across 4 times, then go across 4 times, then go across a few more times, and then I let it incubate for a day or 2.
It smells like
All right,
marshmallows.
now, oh, that smells nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells like candy. So that is, let's just pretend that's incubated, so you've isolated the bacterium. Okay, this is what you're going to do. You're going to grab a slide and you're going to put a very, very thin layer on there. Okay, so I go into here, I open it up, and I put a really, really thin layer, as thin as I can go, so the light goes through it and it's not too thick. And then I clean it. And because the bacteria has a cell wall with sugars on it, and if I just try and stain this, it's all going to wash off. All right? Oh, it's going to smell nice, isn't it? Okay, so I put that there. I heat fix it. It's going to kill the bacteria. It's going to make the sugars stick the bacteria onto the slide. So I'll just count to 3. 1, 2, 3. That'll stick it on there. All right? Now I'm going to stain it with methylene blue, which kills bacteria in fish, so it's completely harmless. It can go down the sink. So I'll stain it like this. All right, I'll let it wash off very, very gently. I don't think I've heat stained it very well because some of it's washing off. Guys, I don't think I did a very good job. I might have to do it again.
Oh.
No, that might work. All right. So what I do there is I put a cover slip on there, and hopefully I'll be able to see some bacteria. So first of all, we move the stage right to the very top, and then we slowly move the stage down until it's focused using the coarse adjustment. All right, now that we've finished with the coarse adjustment, we're going to use the fine adjustment. So just do a quick check on the fine adjustment, move down to the by 10 and do a fine adjustment, and then move down to the by 40 and do a fine adjustment. Now we're ready for the oil. So move it all the way back to the 4, add a drop of oil, and then you're good to move to the by 100. So you move the by 100 down and just use fine adjustment again. Okay, so just one more time, stage to the top, and then you only move the stage down with coarse adjustment on the by 4. Then you never touch the coarse adjustment again. Use the fine focus for the next 2 objectives, move it back to the 4, add a drop of oil, put the 100 on, and fine focus again. When you're finished, take the slide off, use lens tissue so it doesn't leave any dust or anything, wipe the slide and wipe the by 100. Put the by 4 back on and move the stage all the way back down, and you're done. Just focus it a bit. Oh, that's it. Stop. Ooh.
But that just wipes the whole yogurt off the slide.